Hi everyone. So today we're going to look at some of the basics that you'll need to start getting stuck into Pythagoras and working out the sides of triangles. So first off, we want to look at what's a right angle triangle. So there's different types of triangles: isosceles, scalene, equilateral, right angle. Okay, so hopefully this is fairly still well ingrained from previous years. A right angle triangle is just a triangle with a 90-degree angle in it. Okay, so something like that just there. It's signified by the presence of a little square most often in that triangle. Okay, and that square simply means that there is a right angle or 90 degrees. Right? You only ever have one 90 degree in a triangle because hopefully we remember that all the angles in a triangle, if we label them A, B, C, A plus B plus C, for a triangle, all add up to 180 degrees. Alright, so that is number one. Next, if you don't know what the angle is in a triangle, we can use that information to work out a missing number. So for instance, in this example here, I don't have a right angle triangle, but we already know one fact about a triangle, and that's that all of those angles must add up to 180 degrees. So if we know 2 out of the 3, we're able to subtract them from 180 degrees to find our missing one, which is x there. So if we do that, we've got 180, and we want to subtract 23 plus 124, running out of screen. So 180 minus 147, x is going to be equal to, should be able to do it in our heads almost, 33. Next up, we need to, in Pythag, we'll go down here, miss these ones. So here you can see we've got 45 and 45. So we're missing, so 180 take 45 plus 45. Okay, they both equal 90. So 180 take 90 is going to be equal to 90, which is our right angle there. Okay. Similarly, it shows us the right angle, but the point is that we're able to perform the same thing. We take 60 and 30 away from 180. We know that 60 plus 30, similar to our other example, 60 plus 30 is 90, so if we subtract that from 180, we also find that that missing angle is in fact 90 degrees. Not that it's technically missing, because it does have the square there to indicate that it's 90 degrees. Next up, identifying a hypotenuse. So a hypotenuse is simply, and assuming we're not too bad with this, hypotenuse is the longest side on a triangle. So if we look at sides as A, B, and C, visually for lots of these triangles you're going to be able to identify that both A and B are shorter than C. So that would make C our hypotenuse. Now the good thing about right angle triangles we'll scroll down to the next part, is that a right angled triangle, because in a right angled triangle 90 degrees is going to be the largest angle possible, the side opposite that right angle is always going to be your hypotenuse. So regardless of how close they look to the size of anything else, the side opposite the right angle is going to be your hypotenuse. Okay, so hopefully that helps with the first stage of Pythagoras, not hypotenuse, and we'll put some more stuff up shortly.